Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to turn on or enable Find My Device on Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following it to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on my settings right here. Now, the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to Google right here. Now, the next thing you need to do is to click on All Services. Then you have to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for Find My Device. So click on that. It's going to take you right here. So how does Find My Device work? If you lose this device or any connected fast pairing accessory, you can use Find My Device to locate them. Then turn on Find My Device so you can find, lock, or erase or reset this device if it is lost. So what you need to do right here is to click on this particular button right here, and then you will be asked to enter your lock pattern. And once you enter your security lock pattern, the button is going to be enabled, just like what you see right here. Find your offline devices, way to use Find My Device. You can also get the apps from Play Store on Find My Device, or better still, you can use on web. So if you click on the web, it will take you to Find My Device website, whereby you can simply get detail about your device, the location the device is, just like what you see right here. So Find My Device. So at the time of making this video, this is where this device is located. Now, for you to make use of Find My Device in case your phone gets lost, so what are the things you can do? You can simply factory reset of the device to wipe off whatever you have on the phone. It's as simple as that. You can also lock the phone remotely, just like what you see right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to enable or how you can turn on Find My Device on Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you with my next video. Bye for now.